This is a karaoke microphone for a Tesla, and you can go ahead and sing along and drive along and have fun with it. A pretty cool device, very easy to use, very easy to set up. So let's go ahead and let's check it out and unbox it, and let's set it up and review it and see if it's any good. But right now, this is what it sounds like when it's all connected. Let's go. Right, so let's get straight into the unboxing of the Puremic wireless karaoke microphone for your Tesla. Now you can use this as long distance, it is wireless, you just plug and play, you've got no need to pair anything, it's got built-in rechargeable battery and a receiver, and I'm guessing that's the model number Q1. So the box is pretty nice, like it looks like it's a tablet or something like you're unboxing. Pretty cool experience. We've got some information on the back over here, so we should have two microphones, one receiver, one converter, one charge cable, one manual that's inside of it. And of course, yeah, that is the product model number Q1D. It is a white colour as well. So let's go ahead and let's cut open this seal then, shall we? There you go, just like that. It's literally like opening the iPads back in the day when they used to have these seals on it. Let's take that out. Let's see how the opening experience is if it drops. Here we are introduced straight to both the microphones. So here it is, I have to say, packaging wise, quite nice, very well packaged. And it's really nicely well packaged actually. So we have the manual here, which is nice. So plug the receiver straight into the car's Type-C or USB-A port. So we do have a USB-A port in the Model 3 and Model Y, the newer ones, in the glove box. Otherwise you do have a Type-C on the back and in the front of the center console. But ideally you do want to plug it into the glove box, but if it works in the center console, even better. So we'll go ahead and see if it does work. The receiver's white indicator light will flash slowly. Press the microphone button to power it on, and the blue indicator light will turn on while the receiver's white light stays on. Open any karaoke app on the car and start singing. Pretty much easy as that, I guess. We have what looks to be your receiver, I assume, for your best voice. That's what that says on there. Pretty cool. You get a noodle style cable as well, which is lovely. And of course, it has a USB Type-C and a USB Type-A, and it actually fits very well. That's pretty cool. So I'm guessing, yeah, this is our receiver. Nice. It's very well packaged. In fact, this looks a bit like the Google Chromecast. Kind of reminds me of that. Here we'll have, I assume, our USB Type-C charging cable. So it is a Type-A to Type-C charging cable, so you can charge it. It would have been nice if you had the same adapter type feature, so you can also charge it with the car's USB Type-C ports, because the car doesn't really have any USB Type-A ports apart from the one USB port that's in the glove box. So this does feel really good quality actually. It's got a bit of weight to it. Definitely top heavy. Build quality wise, plastic is really nice, got like a matte finish to it. Really good. We've got the company's logo over there, Puremic. Buttons are really soft. Not that loud, clicky style buttons. Literally one single press, and we've got an LED light going around the power button as well. Nice. So this is it really. Not much to it other than that. So we've got both the mics over here. So let's go straight to the car. Let's set it up and let's see if it works and see how good it is and how good the mic quality is, and if it's very easy to pair up with the car. Easy to set up. You have to put it in the USB Type-A port. I did try it in the USB-C ports, which are in the center console here and at the back, but that didn't work. It has to go into the USB Type-A port on the Model Y. So you go ahead and put it in there. You will get a flashing white light which appears on this box over here. Once you get that flashing white light, you literally just press the power button once. You get a blue light here, and the flashing light will turn into a solid white light, and that is all done basically. And then we're connected with the device, so you can connect two microphones at a time. As you can see, they're both on over here. All you do is you can go on the karaoke app over here. So we'll just close this song here. You got the microphone on the top over here, so as soon as it connects you have the microphone, and you got all these different features over here. So music is like the volume of the actual microphone. So if I'm talking with you right now, it's actually quite quiet, and if I put the volume up, and then now I talk through the mic, you can see it is a lot louder. We got the microphone, which again reduces the effect of the microphone. So if I put that down low, it makes it like a little bit less echoey type sound. Actually sounds very, very good. So you got reverb, which gives it like a super atmosphere echo type sound to it. If I click on the information, it will go over here. So super reverb makes the sound grand and ethereal and can be used to create a dreamy and stunning atmosphere. So we're going to keep that down, but you do have different sound effects like recording studio, karaoke box, and super reverb. So we've got the recording studio, which is like a professional like box type sound. Super reverb, you can see the difference. It like longs out the audio, like it makes it sound like a concert. Karaoke box is a little bit more louder, a little bit more echoey, a bit more like a party type mic. And then the original sound just sounds like a really good sound quality mic, really. So you can easily switch between the two mics. So we're currently on mic 1, let's call this. And now we're on mic 2. And you can use both of them simultaneously, so you can do duets. So if there's two people singing, you can both sing at the same time, so it's pretty cool. I'm hoping that the recording can pick up the audio from the speakers and the mic really well. You can see here when you tap it, the mic is definitely direct at the top over here. When you tap on the top, it is a lot louder than on the sides. You do need to be quite close to the mic. I'd say your face needs to be about here for it to actually pick up your audio, but it does pick it up from quite far. So like if I put it from far away, it does pick it up. You got to get a little bit closer for it to sound a bit more crisper and clearer, but it's actually really good. So once you've connected the microphone, you literally open up the Karaoke app on the Tesla, which come with all Teslas, which are actually all newer Teslas that have either the Intel or the Ryzen processors. And then yeah, you can go ahead and start off from here. So we got APT by Bruno Mars and Rose. Put the volume of the music down, and you can control the volume of the music here as well. And then you can sing over it like this as well. So your microphone up, and then you can sing over it on your music, which is really cool. Testing, testing. You see, you can then sing over the song. So you can definitely have some good fun with this as well. And I have to say the sound quality is actually really good. And then you can switch through multiple different songs. So it's really cool. It's pretty cool if you got kids and or you like singing and you just want to have fun in the car. Really, it's just a really good fun product to have, I guess. Build quality wise is really good. Sound quality is super crisp, super clear. Can't complain about that. It sounds very good. It definitely sounds like it's a good high quality product, not cheap at all. The microphone is super clarity, super clear, very good definition on the clarity, very easy to use, very easy to set up. The only upsetting and annoying thing is you have to put out your dashcam USB in order to use the receiver, but that's not the fault of these guys. That's just the way the Tesla's designed. You can only connect media products through a USB Type A and not the USB Type C's. Other than that, I think it's a great product. If you're into your singing and you want to have fun in the car, you like long journeys and you like just party basically. I think it does what it's meant to do straight out of the box. So if you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. I'm going to give it an overall score of 8 out of 10 because it does what it says out of the box. It's really good quality and the sound quality is really great. If you are interested in buying it, link to buy will be down below in the description. If I have any coupon codes, I'll put that down as well. And as always, thanks for watching.